Who's there? You cannot hide.
This is not just another feature drop. This is a shift. Kling 3.0 has gone unlimited. And from this moment, AI video creation changes completely. If you are into AI video, content creation, filmmaking, or you are simply curious about where AI is heading next, today's video is really matters. Kling 3.0 is live now on Higgsfield. And it's not only stronger, it's smarter, more controllable, and finally, it's unlimited. Let's be honest, most AI video tool impresses for a second and then everything starts breaking. Camera goes wild, motion feels fake, character suddenly changes, and the moment you tweak the prompt, you lose everything and start again. So, the real question is, can AI video finally behave like real video editing? That's the exact problem Kling 3.0 is designed to solve. So, first, what is Kling 3.0? Kling 3.0 is a next generation AI video model from Kling, now available with unlimited uses on Higgsfield. But the real upgrade is not power, it's how the video is created. Older AI models were one shot system. You type a prompt and hope the AI understands. Kling 3.0 works scene by scene. Less randomness, more planning, more control. It supports 3 to 15-second clips, 720p and 1080p output with sound or without sound, unlimited generations, scene based multi shot control. This is a major change. This is where Kling 3.0 feels different. You can split one video into multiple scenes, usually 3 to 6 shots. For every shot, you decide what happens, how long it stays, how the camera moves. Instead of asking AI to figure out the story, you give it a clear structure. The result? Smooth pacing, better storytelling, far few mistakes, start and end frames control. This feature alone saves hours. You can now define a starting frame, an ending frame, or only the ending frame. Why this matters? Because moment now finishes exactly where you want it. Perfect for transitions, extensions, or matching shots without generating the whole video again and again. We have all seen it. AI characters changes faces mid-shot. Kling 3.0 fixes that. You can lock characters, products, objects across multiple scenes. Same look, same scale, same identity. This is huge for brands, stories, and professional videos. Physics-based motion and camera, Kling 3.0 focuses heavily on realism. Gravity behaves naturally, camera movements feels intentional, pans, tracking shots reveals they finally looks designed, not accidental. Perfect for cinematic visuals, action shots, close-up and macro scenes. Audio that matches the visuals. Sound is no longer an afterthought. When enabled, Kling 3.0 generates audio along with motion, environmental sound, small detail effects, proper timing, or you can keep it silent and add audio later. You are fully in control. Generation plus editing equal to one flow. This is the biggest mindset change. On Higgsfield, Kling 3.0 connects generation and editing. You can change scene length, improve motion, extend shot, add visual elements, all without restarting from zero. This finally feels like a real creator workflow. Simple workflow inside Higgsfield. The process is straightforward. Write your prompt and scene plan, Set start and end screen if needed. Generate the video, place it on Higgs-filled canvas, refine, design, and export. Clean, repeatable, production ready. Practical example, let's try a realistic action scene. Add prompt, settings, model Kling 3.0, duration 5 seconds, resolution 720p, aspect ratio 16:9. Click generate and notice
We have to hold this position.
stable image consistency, realistic smoke and blast, natural light reaction. Now let's try multi-shot. We create shot 1 3 second, shot 2 3 second, shot 3 3 second, shot 4 3 second. Each shot with its own prompt. Same model, same setting, generate and boom. A clean, realistic multi-scene video. Now I want to know what would you create first with Kling 3.0 Unlimited? Drop your ideas in the comments.
After a brief pause, she begins walking toward the camera with smooth, natural movement.
If you want a full hands-on tutorial or ready-made prompt example, share this video and tell me. And in next video, I will show you how to build a cinematic AI shot step by step using Kling 3.0. See you in next video. Bye.